The EnOcean Alliance presents EnOcean technology for intelligent and green buildings. Today, installation. The introduction into intelligent building technology is easy. For residential buildings, you connect a transmitter with a receiver. Done. This basic installation can be easily combined with existing systems and extended at will with a tablet, a video camera, or with your mobile phone in order to monitor and control everything whilst on the road. The EnOcean system is very flexible and also saves energy and costs. Starting with a single solution, for example, retrofitting an extra freely positionable switch near a bunk bed, on glass, in the bathroom, and ending in central control for lighting and blinds, or individual heating control with window monitoring. The intelligent building technology from EnOcean provides more comfort through central functions, zone regulations, and individual light scenes. EnOcean also offers more security, for example, through the monitoring of windows, alert messages sent to your phone, or through presence simulation. In a commercial building, EnOcean systems can be easily combined with other existing systems, such as KNX, BACnet, LAN, TCP/IP, EE-bus, or Modbus. Here, they provide maximum energy efficiency and comfort through the building automation, planning office spaces, or necessary changes during the building phase is easy with batteryless wireless technology. This leads to lower operating costs, both during changes in room structure and when changing tenants. More information at enocean-alliance.org.